What's up, team? It's Tierra B, naturally, and in today's video, I'm sharing my second Temu haul. No, it is not sponsored, but this website has kind of got me a little in and out because part of me be wanting to go over there and check out stuff, and then part of me is like, no, I don't need nothing else. But here we are. This is so cool because they have a lot of things that are there that are affordable and just, I don't know, it just make you think maybe I should try it. Like, so I'm gonna dig in and just show you my goodies. Like, for instance, and I know this is a knockoff because it was only like $1 and some change, but this is a cute little brush. Like, this is like ergonomically correct and stuff. And I already have like the little circle one, the shower brush with the hook here, but the hook broke. So I'm like, okay, if I could get it in like a brush form like this, we might be in the game. Wait till I take this protective style out. I'm about to be, yes. So I got this cute little brush. What else I got? And I have a water bottle, but y'all, I have not seen my water bottle in like months at this point. So I bought me another one, y'all, and it was only a few dollars. Like, I'm gonna put the prices on the screen so y'all can see. I'm excited if you can't tell. But yes, this is the little Mister bottle. You spray it and it just keep going. If you don't have one of these and you're a natural, you want to get one of these. Okay, and then I'm trying to get my face together. So I ordered a couple of things to help me out. So I heard that turmeric is good for your skin. So I got me some turmeric soap, and then there's also a little turmeric face cream. This is actually tinier than I thought it was, but you know how that go. But anywho, these two should help me to get like my face a little bit clearer. I don't have a horrible problem with acne, but like I have the tiniest little, I'm gonna come close so you can see. Don't be talking about me in the comments. I have the tiniest little bumps that just kind of form on my skin. So it's, I don't know, it's not horrible acne, but it's just, I don't know. It's hard to explain. I don't even know what you call it. But I've been doing some research, and apparently turmeric soap will help me with that. And in the meantime, until I get some everyday skincare from my girl Sharice, because I'm definitely about to head over there and buy some of her products. So side note, if y'all need something to help get y'all skin together, like an everyday skincare product, definitely check out her website. I'll put the link in my description because I'm definitely going to give me some too. But I ordered this stuff a little bit ago. It take a while for Tumi to get stuff in here, so I probably ordered this before she even started her company because she just launched her business like last week. So go check it out, y'all. Support a small black owned business, black woman owned business. Okay, everyday skincare. Link will be in the description. That's my girl. This ain't sponsored for her either, but we're gonna support over here, okay? Because that's what we do. Anywho, let me keep going with this TV ball. Okay, and the last thing I got, the thing that I'm most excited about is this blow dryer, y'all. Look at this. This blow dryer, it is like handheld, supposed to be like small, and just the one I got, y'all know I do like monthly blowouts, so I be needing a blow dryer. My blow dryer is kind of big and bulky, and it just take a lot to be kind of getting it through my head. And recently it started making this weird noise, y'all. It sounds like it's about to like blow up. So I was like, I need to get a new blow dryer. So anywho, let me go ahead and show y'all. So this only thing that I didn't like is that it came, you know, they was a little rough. They was a little rough on it, you know. So I don't know if that was how it was packaged or if it happened in the process of being delivered. But anywho, let me open it real quick and I'm gonna show y'all. So okay, see this tour, yeah. Good thing this was under $15. I'm gonna put the price on the screen. I think it's about like $13. But anyway, aside from the packaging being a little beat up, hold on. This is the blow dryer, and so look how like compact it is. And then you put this on. It's like a little, you know, snap it in there, and that's one level. This is just a regular blow. You just need to blow dry it. But what I really, really wanted this for is the blow drying brush. Like, look at this. So it's like a regular brush, and it's got the soft bristles like this here. So I plan on blow drying my hair while it's already detangled. So I don't necessarily need this to detangle, but I want this to give me like the best blow dry of my life, right? so yeah, so you just, there's a little arrow. You line up the arrows right there, snap it in, and then you turn it to the side to make sure it's clipped. But yeah, you imagine just blow drying your hair. So convenient. I love that. And then they also have the last attachment, which is this. I don't really see myself needing this round one, and these bristles are just a little bit harder than these. These are more soft, kind of like the little fake denim brush I got. But these bristles are kind of hard. So I don't really see myself using this one. But this is why I really wanted this. So yeah. But that's all I got on my second purchase with Temu, and so far so good. These actually came as expected. Only thing about Temu, if you haven't ordered from there before, just be aware that their marketing tactics are extreme. Like if you get into their website or even think about their website, they are like sending you emails several times a day, reminders. You sure you don't want this? Like it's they bombard you with their marketing techniques. So that I don't like, but they do got some good stuff there for some good prices. So hey, take it or leave it. But listen, listen, I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff away. I just wanted to share it with you guys before I jump into this stuff and start using it. And I will be doing some product reviews as well. So stay tuned, be on the lookout for that. Make sure you subscribe and add your bell notification. Listen, I'm Tiara B, and I am out. Blessings.